I'm Captain Brian Fancher, Texas Fishing Tips, and this is your weekly fishing report. With the north winds blowing, with the storms passing in February, this area of water all along this side of Baffin leads you to some protected waters. You can run down here and run all the way up into tide gauge. If you have a shallow enough boat, you can park your boat up in here and wade fish. If not, I highly recommend you park your boat on the outside of the bar and wade this whole bar. There's a good drop off on the outside of it, and it's hard packed sand, which leads to good wade fishing all along here. Coming down south just a little, or east, coming down to the Point of Rocks, there's good sets of rocks all along here in this area, just maybe 200 yards off this shoreline, and you can wade these rocks. It still has a nice sandy hard packed bottom like tide gauge does, and you can work a good paddle tail, you know, maybe a 5-inch with a good dark color and a good flash on its tail. A green with a bright orange, or a root beer colored with a bright yellow tail on it. Really good right along here. Coming a little further down in the Badlands area, there's a lot of rocks out here, so be careful running your boat. Now if you set up with a north wind, you can drift all the way down here and hit every rock and trolling motor along here. Make very certain to cast at these little rocks. They're big piles of rocks down there. You're going to cast up your paddle tail about this big. A bright color or a dark with a really bright tail will really catch your eyes. Now wading this area is kind of tricky. There's very soft mud, and it can lead to be a little treacherous. Coming down here to Capuerto, this still has a pretty decent bottom down here, and we're catching good fish along this back side of these islands. Now there's about 2 foot of water. It goes up to 3 foot right here, and there's a good grass line. Work your lure along that grass line, still with the bright color on there. Make sure you look for the off-colored water, not the muddy, not the clear, but just slightly off-colored along here, and that's where you'll find your trout and your reds running. On the typical southeast wind we've had over here in the Penascal area, it blocks a lot of the wind and will hold good fish along here in the rocks. And then up to Corrales, still holding good fish and blocking that southeast winds. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to go to Texas Fishing Tips to register for this 12-volt trolling motor, courtesy of Gulf Coast Marine. I'm Captain Brian Fancher. Thank you for watching.